song is called please don't play. Right? So this song is called Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Like this. Okay. Right. It's called what? Who knows this song? You know it, right? It's called what? Mhondoro. Okay, it's fine. Please don't play. It's called Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Right. So the first thing that I want to do is, please don't play. Right. So the first thing that I want to do is I want us to establish the rhythm before we start singing. Right. Let me put it in 6/8. We haven't done the time signature 6/8. I know, but I will explain. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 6/8, right? So if you remember, these are half count notes, right? So it's 1 and 1, 1 and 1, right? Can you try this? 1, 2, 3, 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Let's clap it. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 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 1. Right. So when we are playing the drums and the clapping, this first beat is the one that we put an accent. An accent, it means you play this louder than these ones, right? Like this. Right? So we're saying 1 and 1, 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 1 and 1. Good, right? Good, right? So let's get the music right first. Then, after that, those who have got marimbas, so I want you to go to A and C. So the first 1 and 1. Okay. Okay, I'll put a bar here. Right? 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 So this is what we are repeating. Goes for 4 bars. Then I'll put another 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, bar. 1, 2. Right. So this double bar line means you've come to the end of the song. So the first one is C and E. So C and E. Can you have C and E, the marimbas? C and E. Right? So you're playing C and E up to this bar. So C and E. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you do that? Marimbas only. Yes? It's fine. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? Ember, are you counting? Then the next one, it's G and B. G and B. Okay, so G and B, we are counting that 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 times again. Let's go G and B. 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? Okay. So C and E 12 times, G and B 12 times. Right? Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Well done. Right? So can you try that, everyone? Now with the drums. Drums, you're just playing 1, 2, 3, 1. Those who don't have drums, you're clapping 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Right. After counting, after my count, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Right? Listen, I'll count 1. This is how I'm going to count. Listen, I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you start, right? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, marimbas, stop. Well done, drums and clapping. Well done, drums and clapping. But marimbas, remember when we get to the end, we start again, right? Okay. You have to start again. Right, one more time before we start the singing. Let me check my time. Yeah, you're almost there. 1, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So this song is in a call and response mode. Most African songs, we use what we call a call and response mode, where someone calls and the other group responds, right? But to start with, let's start with the response part. Is the one which is simple. I'll write it here so that okay, my board is too small. So let's start with this, like the name of the song. It's called Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Okay, first of all, let's say out the words, right? Listen, it's Mhondoro. Okay, Mhondoro Dzinonwa. You guys, you do Shona, right? Okay.
So we just came back from it.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. Let's say out the words. 1, 2, 3, and Mhondoro Dzinonwa. So singing is actually easy. So it's good. Mhondoro Dzinonwa and Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Let's try the singing. 1, 2, 3 goes Mhondoro Dzinonwa and Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Again. Mhondoro Dzinonwa and Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Again. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Well done. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Louder now. And Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Right. So we are going to play 2 times, then we start singing. Right. So the moment you start singing, let's stop playing so that we don't distract the singing with the playing. Let's go 1, 2. Let's start with the playing. 2 times, so we play up to the end, then we start again. Second time we stop, then we start singing, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Again. Then sing the end. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Then Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Good. Right. Okay. Right. Then the next line is Dzinonwa Munasave. I'll write it here. So this is now the calling part. Dzinonwa Munasave. Okay. So what this song is actually saying is, you know, in our African traditional culture, we believe in ancestors like the great grandparents, right? Okay, so we believe those guys, they look on us from above and they speak to us sometimes when they want to pass some messages. Okay. How? Yeah. Okay, like.
So, like, if you want to speak to us, so like, give us, we'll make you feel bad. Like God.
Yes, yeah, like God. Like God.
You're gonna die in the sleep.
So,
now
okay.
let's have this there.
Thank you. So what we believe in our African culture is, in the African culture, sorry, stop playing. In the African culture, we believe that we talk to God, the superior one, right? God is in God, the God that we know, right? So we believe that we talk to God through the ancestors. Okay, those great grandparents. Yet in our usual Christian culture, we believe that we talk to God through Jesus. Okay, yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so these are Mhondoro, it means those great ancestors. So we believe that these great ancestors, when they are thirsty and they want to drink water, they go to the, the Save River. Where is the Save River? Yes, look.
It's in the Soviet Conservancy.
It's in the...
No, it's by Ocean of Bread.
Yes, that's the Save River, right? Okay, that's the Save River. So we believe that all these great ancestors, whenever they are thirsty, they go and drink water there. So that's what we are saying here. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Kunwa is to drink. Right. Okay, now it makes sense, right? Yeah. Okay, yes, Ember? Okay, go. Right, Ethan? Yeah, super cool. Okay, now let's do the calling line. So the calling line is Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa. Listen first, right? The first line is Dzinonwa munasabe. Then the second one, Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa munasabe. Okay, Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa munasabe. Yes?
So why didn't they just go to the Soviet River to drink? Yeah, why can't they go to like Fifth Wall or something? Yeah, okay.
I don't know. I mean, maybe you should ask them. Right. Okay, let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and go. Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa. Then the corresponding line. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. And Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. And Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Last time. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. And Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Then Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa munasabe. Dzinonwa munasabe. Mhondoro Dzinonwa. And Mhondoro Dzinonwa. Right, okay, let's take it from the top. So remember, we played 2 times. Stop playing. Okay, if we can, let's try playing and sing. Right? So we'll play 2 times without the singing, then we start with the calling one. Dzinonwa munasabe, then you go to Mhondoro. So I'll lead you. Right, ready? Let me play this wooden block. Right. Right. 1, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. time I'll lead you when to sing, but you don't stop. Okay, let's go again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Okay, stop. Listen again. Listen again. 1, 2, 3. You want me to count up to 3?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1. Boys and girls, leave my instrument there. Let's line up.